Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sort emails in Gmail by sender, size, date, and unread status. Gmail doesn't have traditional column-based sorting like some email clients, but it offers powerful search operators that let you filter and organize your inbox in exactly the way you need. First, head over to mail.google.com and sign into your Gmail account. Once you're in, click on Inbox in the left sidebar to make sure you're viewing your main mail list. This ensures you're working with the right set of messages before applying any filters. Now let's start sorting. Click on the search box at the top of the screen or click Show Search Options if you want a more guided approach. This search box is your control center for filtering emails in Gmail. To sort by sender, type from email@domain.com or from sender name directly into the search box and press Enter. This instantly shows all messages from that specific sender displayed from newest to oldest. It's perfect when you need to quickly review everything from a client, colleague, or subscription service. If you need to find large emails that might be taking up storage space, type larger 5M into the search box and press Enter. This shows all messages larger than 5 megabytes. You can adjust the size by using larger 500K for smaller thresholds or larger 10M for bigger ones. For date-based sorting, use before January 1st, 2025 or after December 1st, 2024 in the search box and press Enter. Make sure to use the YYYY/MM/DD format. This is especially useful when you're looking for emails from a specific time period or trying to clean up old messages. To see only unread messages, type as unread in the search box and press Enter. This filters out everything you've already read and shows only what's still pending your attention. Here's where Gmail really shines. You can combine these operators. For example, type from alice@example.com is unread larger 2M before January 1st, 2025 and press Enter. This single search filters by sender, unread status, size, and date all at once, giving you precise control over what you're viewing. If you prefer a more visual approach, click Show Search Options at the top, then fill in fields like from to, subject, has the words, and date within. Click Search to run your query. You can still add size operators manually in the search box afterward if needed. Once your results appear, use the checkboxes to select messages and take action from the top toolbar, archive, delete, or mark as read. If you find yourself using the same search repeatedly, click Show Search Options, build your query, then click Create Filter to save it. This lets you apply the same sorting rules anytime with just one click. Thanks for watching.